to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, we're in Miramar, Florida, and today I'm visiting Homer and Cooyah, and they operate the Cooyah business, established since 1987. You can tell by just the sign that it's strictly Jamaican things going on. And guys, this is Cooyah.
Blessed love, blessed love.
Yes, gorgeous young lady. And this is Homer.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Greetings. Cooyah.
Yes.
Established since life 1987.
All right. Homer, can you give me a tour of your...
Yeah, man. We're going
Please.
to give you a tour of one of the studios that we use to create stuff on a daily basis. Come.
Okay. All right, guys.
Feel free to
Ooh.
glance at things. There are things here in working process. Yeah, she's basically showing you
Guys.
screens. This is the history of
Screens, okay.
Yeah.
And this is what you use to put your designs
Yes.
on the
Cooyah.
t-shirts.
Right, you develop that. And if
Okay.
you look, you can see Haile Selassie, Yadi,
Wow.
different things
Chat
right
boat.
here with the custom shirt for Aruba. You know,
Yes.
Garnet silk over here, the Most High again,
Okay.
Jamaica, Kingston. We have the Mighty Crown, which is a big sound system out of Japan.
Wow.
We produce stuff for them.
Wow.
And this should go on, man. You talk
Wow.
about doing shirts. We did shirts for Yellow Man, Half Pint, Freddie McGregor. You name it. I've basically done stuff for all the reggae artists.
But you just do Jamaican clothing, right?
Jamaican and
It's just
mix of Jamaican and reggae.
Okay.
Yeah, with the red,
okay.
gold, and green, and the Jamaican vibe too. at the same time.
Gotcha.
Because see, we changed this one.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Right. This is a dry fit shirt, which is good for the beach. You get wet,
Dry.
dry 2
Oh.
minutes, you dry, and it protect your skin.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Guys, this is a lot of designs that are packed, a lot. And these are the t-shirts, guys. The fabric, they feel so good quality. Yes, and a lot of colors, very colorful.
Well, right. We almost spell color like the British way with the U.
Yes,
This new collection is called Colors.
colors.
That's why we're using so much new colors for the summer.
Interesting.
And people will get a chance to see most of the colors.
For the summer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And of course, like I said to you,
What
store-
kind of designs can we expect on those, Homer?
all kind. We're not
Okay.
gonna stop. We're doing it from the hardcore reggae to the just the fun reggae and the Rasta colors at the same time.
Irie.
Because you
Irie.
will see Irie behind you. Irie's
Yes,
been our word.
guys, see? It's right here.
Irie's been a word that like I
Yes.
tell everybody from Bob Marley. Oh, Bob Marley used to come out and say it and say, how you feeling? Everybody say Irie.
Irie.
So it's one of the most powerful words. And of course, being Cooyah, we are way up there in Patois.
Yes.
ABC.
Strictly
Okay,
Jamaican.
that's
Yes. What else do we have down here, Homer?
Well, you're actually
Is
in
your
one of
paints?
you're in one of the bays that with screen print.
Okay.
So any given day,
Guys, that's what they used to do the screen print over there, as you can see. Yes. So you were telling me earlier, Homer, that you have another location where you store.
right,
Your-
where everything is stored and packaged. And that's
Okay.
basically just for us. It's more private. because we have
Yes.
other people's merchandise there. So
Okay.
we just keep that private. But we ship things out daily.
Okay.
Online, Cooyah.com, online,
Okay.
service everything. And we went back
Right.
to Jamaica again last year, April 14th, and we'll open this. See, it's 96 Hope Road, HR.
Oh, 96
Store.
Hope Road.
Right.
Guys, so for those of you who are in Jamaica, you can check it out at 96 Hope Road. And it's called Cooyah as well, Homer. Yes.
Cooyah. And
Okay.
the new store will be open in Montego Bay next week in Rosal, so that's going to be Cooyah Rosal.
Okay.
So the Montego Bay and the tourists coming in.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right
but
in the
yeah.
heart of things.
Right.
Yes.
They can
So,
come.
yes. So you supply the stores or orders as well?
We supply other people, vendors buy from us, so we supply
Okay.
to them. And we, of course, with our own official store, we supply the stores.
Okay.
And under our stores, we execute with other brands. They help open the market, and we look for exposure to expose new people getting in the garment business.
Okay. Gotcha. And how is the business doing, Homer?
Well, I feel blessed. You know,
All right, that says it all.
And we just got through the struggle. This, I'm going to show you this right here. This is called the Rose. This is a tribute to my partner, one of the founders who passed away. So we create a concept,
A brand,
or a name,
yes.
Rose,
Rose.
in the Jewish
Yes.
word. So we
Here
create
it
a
is,
whole
guy.
concept about her.
Yes.
And her name was Susan.
It's a tribute to Homer's partner.
Yeah, one of the
Yes.
founders of the brand.
Yes. So all of these are from the Rose brand.
Yeah, Rose collection.
Yes. Nice. I noticed there in the greens, is that coincidence or it's just what you have here right now?
No, it's just right now the mints are the
Yes.
colors,
Okay.
and those are the colors for this summer coming up. So
Oh,
we jump with
yes.
it. The mints
Gotcha.
is part of the summer colors. We have this one. See? Can't stop, won't stop, never stop.
Ooh, guys,
So
check
jump
this
on that.
out.
You know what I mean?
Check this out, guys. Can't stop, won't stop, never stop.
Right.
And the Cooyah at the bottom and at the
Right.
back. Nice, nice,
So
nice.
it's part of the campaign. And of course, we'll be shooting
Yes.
more stuff as we continue. Oh yeah, here's the opportunity now to get to see this is a classic shirt. Everybody know her, Queen of Reggae.
Oh, yes,
See?
yes.
Marcia.
Marcia Griffiths
Right.
herself.
Right.
All right, guys. This is just awesome. Awesome. Lots of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff. Anything you want to add, Homer, to the viewers?
Nothing more than like we
If
say,
if people want to reach out to place an order,
just online, Cooyah.com.
Cooyah.
COOYAH.com.
.com.
We're
All right.
online, all social media platforms. We're on every social media platform.
Right.
Follow us. You'll learn the mission statement is here. Right now, we're in the process of just redeveloping Jamaica and giving focus and purpose again. Because
awesome.
I'm seeing too much things going here, there.
Yes.
And at the store, we're one of the only stores with a DJ booth inside the store.
Oh,
So the DJ is coming from London. Yesterday we had one from Spain. She was there spinning cool music. People come. Our
nice.
space is more than a store. It's like a meet and greet and a
Yes,
happening.
yes.
For instance, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to entertain Marshall. Marshall will be doing a book signing also at the
Oh.
store and a wall signing. Because we
Interesting.
produce stuff for Marshall and he's the king of soca.
Cool. Okay. So, guys, if you're in the South Florida area, you can check out Homer in the Miramar location. You can find this information online on the Cooyah.com. So, guys, until next time, we're just gonna say ciao.